A very warm welcome to all of you, and thank you very much for attending the breakfast session this morning. My name is Vasantgadkar, and I am the Senior Manager with the Omics Solutions team at Covaris. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce two very exciting sessions where our partners, speakers will be sharing the amazing work they have been doing, as well as discuss how they have been using the Covaris AFA technology in their lab. But before we go to the main discussion, I would like to start giving the brief background about AFA technology, what this technology is, how does it work, and how it is typically used. Adaptive Focus Acoustics technology, or AFA in short, simplifies the sample prep aspect in your workflow. This is often one of the big bottlenecks and needs a lot of optimization effort. What Adaptive Focus Acoustics technology facilitates is very efficient processing of your biomolecules in a thermally controlled, non-contact environment that ensures a robust and repeatable process. The outcome of this is you get biomolecules that are very high quality and with high quantity that are available for downstream processing. The technology essentially utilizes high frequency focused ultrasonic waves wherein the focal point is kept inside the sample vessel, which ensures efficient sample processing. The energy is delivered in a non-contact and focused manner, which thereby eliminates the chances of any contamination at all, as well as eliminates any hotspots. And we all know hotspots are a no-no when it comes to thermally labile biomolecules. The way it works in the background is there is a cavitation source inside our consumables that creates cavitation bubbles. These bubbles tend to grow and shrink over a very short time scale. And at a certain point, the bubbles just cannot sustain their growth and they implode. When they implode, it creates intense shear forces that does efficient sample processing. The beauty of the technology is we control the shear forces in an extremely efficient manner, thereby resulting in a very robust and reproducible performance. So what is the company vision? Our goal is to help more people around the world by offering sample prep solutions that improve and save lives. And what we have been doing so far is we have partnered with a whole different medical research labs, core labs, biopharma companies, and essentially to provide streamlined workflows across different platforms with a whole range of different sample types. As the systems biology field has evolved, proteomics is getting a lot more in focus. There are exciting things that are happening where things are now moving from the research into the implementation stage. We have a lot of studies that are going on with biomarkers and targeted proteomics, which can bring in the actionable data set and the whole promise of the systems biology. While this is all true, it is equally true that proteomics brings its own unique set of challenges. For any lab, one will quickly relate to these challenges being there is often a need for a lot of different sample types that one needs to process, a range of different volumes, different buffer schemes, different purification schemes, and different end detection technology. What it really calls out for is a platform, a versatile platform that can enable and meet all these requirements. So Covaris technology fills exactly this gap wherein it facilitates processing of complex samples and enables extraction, isolation, purification, digestion, resulting into peptides ready for mass spec analysis. Just to give you a flavor of all the different work that is ongoing with our different partners, we have the AFA technology being used for FFP, proteome profiling, post-translational modification studies, pathway analysis, pathway mechanism analysis, transcriptome proteome analysis, and so on. To summarize, what I would say is the AFA technology offers a very simple, robust, and reproducible method for your sample prep needs. We would love you to stop by our booth 818 to discuss more of your unique sample prep needs and how the Covaris team can help you address the same. With this, I would now like to take the opportunity to introduce our partner speakers for these breakfast sessions. We have talks happening on 2 days, today and tomorrow, and starting today's talks, we have Dr. Syed Mohammed Saeed with Cedar Sinai Medical Center. Saeed works in Geneva Nike's lab and as a staff scientist and is leading the effort for developing a high throughput platform in their lab. Our next speaker is Dr. Benjamin Madden. Dr. Benjamin Madden works in Dr. Akhilesh Pandey's lab at Mayo Clinic. He has several years of experience and has developed several qualitative and quantitative proteomic mass spec assays from a variety of tissue types. We will have a common Q&A session after both the talks, towards the end of the session. I'm also thrilled to share this exciting news that came out just a day back, I think. The effort that Mayo Clinic was conducting along with Covaris was recently published and right on cue for ASMS. I'm pretty sure you will find this article very exciting, as a very exciting read. In addition to this, we have another powerful power-packed session tomorrow where our partners from Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, AstraZeneca, and Washington University will be sharing the amazing work they have been doing in their lab. And last but not the least, all of our partners are presenting posters and talks throughout the conference. We invite you to stop by their posters and discuss things in further detail. Without further ado, at this point, I would like to invite Saeed to present the magnificent work he's been doing with cardiomyocytes. Saeed.